Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to publish a book on Gumroad. All right, so first up, go ahead and prepare an EPUB file for standard e-readers like Kindle, Apple Books, and a stylized PDF file for laptops and tablet. All right, so go ahead and go to products right here. Once you have it prepared, click on new products. Now in this section, we are going to select ebook. All right, as you can see, offer a book or comic in PDF, EPUB, and MOBI formats. Now, if you're trying to sell physical books, well, you'd need to go ahead and select physical product if you have that option in here. All right. So just for this example, we are going to use ebook. Now go ahead and give it a name, sample book, just for example, and give it a price at the very bottom. Let's say, for example, 25 bucks. Now scroll all the way up, click on next, customize. Now go ahead and give it a description right here. Just write a high converting blurb. Include a hook, a summary of the plot or core concept, also technical details, maybe page count or format. Go ahead and add in whatever you want from here. Now go ahead and add in a cover image. You could just use a 3D book mockup tool like Canva or BookBrush to display your front covers as a realistic physical book spine or a digital device. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and set this up however you want, as this one depends on the creator or depends on you. All right, and once that's set up, go ahead and go to content, click on upload files right here. But if you want to make it even more beautiful, you can insert some dividers, a post, a review, or whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and straight up upload a file from here, computer files. And then let's say this is my book. It is a PDF format. You can add in, let's say, insert divider. This one is for Kindle and Apple Books. All right. Got to give it a file, upload like this one, open. Now add in another divider. Let's say for PDF format, tablets, and laptops. All right. Upload the file again. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on Save Changes at the very top. All right. And after that, just click on Publish and Continue. But before you can click on it, make sure that you have an active payouts account. And then again, click on Publish and Continue, and you'll be given a link, which you can go ahead and share to your social media. All right. And that's basically it. If you want to check it out again later on, just go ahead over to products right here. Here you have your link. Just copy it, share it wherever you want. And once done, again, you're good to go. That's how you publish a book on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.